Oh,
crap.
Oh my gosh, everyone.
Shut up.
Hey guys.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Kaitlyn.
And this is Bacon
With Sarah and Kaitlyn.
Kaitlyn, what's today's bacon?
S'mores dessert pizza.
S'mores dessert pizza.
So we're gonna make some s'mores dessert pizza. It's gonna be delicious, but before we do that,
Do not forget, guys, to subscribe and like. To like and subscribe, whichever order you want. It's a new channel, hop on. We love you.
let's get to baking.
Let's get to bacon.
I can't stop. We're gonna make the dough. So what's step one?
In a bowl, mix water, honey, and yeast. No, I'm kidding, it's yeast. I'm gonna have Kaitlyn demonstrate. Kaitlyn, mix the water in there now.
Yeast. They do look alive.
They look alive? Oh my gosh,
Oh.
it's like little animals. Now we have to leave the yeast, the honey, and the water in the bowl for 5 minutes so that it starts to work. My gut says to stir it a little. No?
Don't follow your gut. You'll kill the yeast.
The yeast is moving. Tell them what you see, Kaitlyn. Tell them everything.
The yeast is alive.
See you guys in 5 minutes.
The timer's done.
She's ready.
Well-
Hey, timer's done. Yeast has been living together. They've built condominiums. Next, Kaitlyn's gonna demonstrate adding flour, salt, and oil.
Let's do
I'm excited to
step
see you do
three.
this. Wait, I feel like, I really feel like we should stir already.
But it doesn't say.
Okay, you're right.
You know what they say, dough money, dough problems.
For real?
No.
So now you're just fake quoting rappers. You're gonna get us sued. Work the dough together and then let it sit and rise for an hour.
What does it mean to rise the dough?
The yeast and the flour comes together, make babies. Just gotta cover it with plastic, let her sit for 1 hour.
We'll see you in 1 hour.
See you in the next hour. Ta-da.
Okay. The dough has risen.
Look how big that sucker got, man. She grew. We got our pan. Get your pan. I'm gonna get parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. We already did that. The parchment paper's so loud. We already did at the dough.
Getting at the dough.
Getting at the dough. On a baking sheet,
Wait.
press the dough out with your fingers to form a large or several smaller pizzas.
Which one should we do, guys? Should we do a large pizza or several smaller pizzas? What? Would you rather fight a duck-sized horse or 1,000?
Horse. No. A horse-sized duck or 1,000 duck-sized horses.
Making it into a pizza now.
I think we should glaze the crust with some honey and sugar. Sabrina, she's my roommate. We're gonna just use a spritz of your sugar. I just don't have any right now. She's such a good roommate. Sprinkling some sugar on the crust to really have a caramelized effect. When the moon hits the sun, I don't even know the song. That's amore.
Oh yeah, we're Italian bakers tonight.
Oh,
I'm gonna bake the dough first.
yeah. Baking the dough for 12 minutes. Put her in.
Ciao amore.
Ciao. There she goes like a pizza moon. That's amore.
Cari boschi
Oh crap! Broil really works.
Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh, everyone.
Shut up!
You guys gotta understand, our crafts never come out this good.
I know!
Oh look, they're smushing. She's thick.
She is thick like bread! My gosh, it's like a freaking cake. Oh my gosh, that's...
Wait, I didn't get any graham crackers. Pretty good. It's thick. It's thick.
Say it again.
It's really thick. Your taste
I'm
test.
scared.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. The bread is so freaking thick, you're right. God, it's so thin. This will be really good.
10 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, it's good. We love you guys so much. Try baking dessert pizzas. They're actually really good.
Let us know if you try it out.
Thank you guys so much for watching Bacon with Sarah and Kaitlyn.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yummy desserts.
Oh yeah. We love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day.